Help keep this channel on the air by clicking the subscribe button, and thank you for watching. So this is my third installment of PinchMe QuizMe box. I have gotten a box since the two that I already opened, and it came with some good stuff. It came with a different product from another product that I got, which is good. I haven't used it yet, but I will. I also got a second deodorant, which with aluminum, which I don't use, so maybe I'll start donating them if they keep sending me deodorants with aluminum. I'm sure somebody needs them. I've had a really busy week. Last week. Not this week, last week. I've been resting this week. Last week I had a really busy weekend. They had a Veterans Appreciation Day at the Coastal Response Center in Coden, Alabama, which if you're not from Alabama, you have no idea what I'm talking about, so it's really not that important, but if you do, that's where it was. And I did a lot of this. Birds found songs to sing. I dodged the same old taxi cabs that I had dodged for years. And to update on, I've been trying to get a deluxe PinchMe box, and it didn't go well. I decided, like, okay, I have time, I'll try to get it. How do those people get like 3,000 to 6,000 points? It's impossible, unless they're making stuff up, unless they're pretending to be other people and answering the questions. That is the only way I can figure. If somebody else has an idea how this is possible without cheating, then I would love to hear it, because I don't see how it's possible. I can get 400 points. That's pretty easy. But when it gets up going to the 1,000, I can't do it. I haven't been able to do it. I'm going to still keep trying. It's been so busy this last 2 weeks that I haven't tried, but I've gotten 2 PinchMe boxes. This one I opened off camera. This one I'm opening on camera. But I'm going to keep trying for that deluxe, and we'll see what happens. Let's go to the unboxing. Here we go. We have another one of their taped together. I don't care, as long as it's not torn up and it's free. Let's see. You'll have to excuse my throat. I've done a lot of singing, and my allergies are pretty bad too. And so I sang today at church, and I managed to make it through it, but I need to rest it. I need to rest my voice. I've got one thing I need to sing for a video that I did for the Veterans Appreciation Day. And I need to get that up because I know a lot of people wanted to see it, and that will happen. Little link up here, you can see it too. Okay. Let's see what we got. This is pretty heavy, and I think I just got a glimpse of what one of them was, which was just something that I kind of wanted. That's nice.
Oh, yeah.
Just because. Yeah, that's what I thought it was, because a lot of people got them. I didn't get one. It's sorry. Hallmark Gold Crown. Take a moment. Make somebody's day. No, make someone's day. It's been a long day and I can't read. Just because. And these are like little greeting cards, which is really neat. I'm not going to open them now, but let's see. QuizMe. Brand new boxes each week. Follow us on social media. Congratulations on winning a PinchMe box. We love giving you the opportunity to try before you buy. Thank you for your time. There's a new box each week to win. That's the first time I've gotten one of these little thank you notes, but that's neat. Yeah, like I said, I guess they're really getting it together. Just to be nice, I'm not sponsored or anything by them, but there's the places you can go. There you go. Let me feel it and see what it is. What does that feel like? I don't know, it's probably some weird sample. Oh yeah, I got this last time. We have a trial pack of Shout Color Catcher dye trapping sheets. 4 of them. So now I have 8. We're really careful about our laundry. We don't really wash colors together, but I mean, this might be a donatable item too, because it's not something we'll use. But if you get stuff that you can't use, donate it, okay? A lot of people do need this stuff. This is kind of strange. I don't know what that is. Okay, let's pull this one first. It feels like a cream. And it is. It is Gold Bond Ultimate Healing Aloe, which I think I got this in the first box too, and I haven't had a chance to try it yet. But we have coupons for what? Safe Tack. Oh, it's a free sample. Oh, they're Band-Aids. Yeah, I had another one of these that I didn't get to try. I mean, like I was saying, I think it was in the first video that, I mean, if you're lucky, you won't need this. But it's good to have around, and it's got a coupon on it too. Expiration date 12/30/17. Well, that's not gonna do you a lot of good, but it's got a Band-Aid. What in the world? I don't think I've ever tried one of these either. Let's see. Oh, what is this? They heard I had allergy problems. I'm always scared of stuff like this, but I have to read the ingredients. Let's see. What does it do? There's one note. What? Okay, daycare, allergy relief, cough suppressant. You know, I have actually been taking cough medicine the last few days. Do these things read my mind? It's gluten-free, sugar-free, dye-free. It relieves sneezing, runny nose, cough, itchy throat and nose, watery eyes, and lasts up to 8 hours for ages 12 and up. Yeah, don't know how many doses are in there, but it looks like more than one. To follow up on other samples, one of my favorite samples was something that was kind of strange. It was Aquavia. I can't pronounce it right, but the men's shaving cream works great on your legs, because I have a really bad problem with razors, the metal, and my skin is so dry. That stuff works pretty good. I'm gonna have to buy a real bottle of it. I like it.